Whenever you have a design on your screen, we're just going to pick a design from our Embroidery Essentials online course. If you haven't checked that out, this is 15 different embroidery techniques that you will learn to truly master your Pfaff creative icon with. But I'm going to use one of the designs, one from down here at this corner. But sometimes I'm going to be using, let's go ahead and set it up for one of the smaller hoops, like a 150 by 150 hoop. So if your design is not in the center of the hoop, touch the edit option and then touch the center of the control wheel. Super easy way to get it back to the 0, 0 location in the center of the hoop. Now sometimes you do want to actually zoom in on an area of a design. So I want to show you that in Edit you have this area here with it 100%. Of course, if you just slide that over, you're going to go right into the center. And if the design is selected, well, that means you're going to move that design. So right here, you're actually moving the design to the side of the hoop, and that's probably not what you want. So go ahead and touch the center, zoom back out, deselect the design completely, then zoom in. And now when you touch this, you can actually get, like, say, closer to an area of the butterfly that you want to see. Oh yeah, it's got those little dots, or I forgot that it has those little lines in the body. So you really can zoom out and see what you are actually going to get with the embroidery process. We'll be using the zoom when we go into the precise positioning area of this machine. That's in the stitch out area when we're trying to line up different items, and we want to get them so they touch perfectly. So just know that it's really easy to zoom in, but if you're looking to kind of move the piece of paper on screen, make sure your design doesn't have that green box of selection on. Just touch the side and then it will deselect.